Gaytan Food Inc. makes their products with vinegar with a concentration of 12%. This time around, Gaytan Food Inc. tried a new vinegar said to be 12%. This new vinegar produced their cheese puffs to have a different taste. This result led to thinking that the new vinegar wasn't 12%. Therefore, in this lab, we tested the concentration level of Gaytan's vinegar using the process of titration. Titration is the process of determining the concentration of a dissolved substance. This method will allow us to find the real concentration of the vinegar given to Gaytan Food Incorporation.
The materials we used were a flask, a meniscus, and a burette. We also used vinegar, NaOH, H2O, and an acid indicator. First, we added 5 milliliters of an acetic acid into the flask, along with 100 milliliters of water, which we measured with a meniscus. Once we added H2O, we then added 2 drops of the acidic indicator into the flask, as well as 35 milliliters of NaOH.
The results in both trials came out slightly different. In trial 1, we used 35 milliliters of base and 5 milliliters of our acetic acid and received a concentration of 12%. In our second trial, we added 35.5 milliliters of NaOH or base and 5 milliliters of acetic acid and received a concentration of 12.33%. Despite differences in base, both trials resulted in a base molarity of 0.3 molar. Trial 1's acid had a molarity of 2.1 molar, while Trial 2's acid had a molarity of 2.01 molar. Titration is a process where a base is added to a solution of an acid in an indicator. The indicator allows a solution to change color. Adding a large amount of base can affect your concentration. When mixing the base and acid, the indicator creates a pale pink color.
In this lab, we resulted with a concentration level of 12.33%. We then realized this concentration level was too high. The reason to this result was the adding of too much base to the solution. Adding an excessive amount led to having a hot pink color, which resulted in a high concentration level. Overall, having a different concentration level in the vinegar affects a product from Gaytan Food Incorporation. It may add bitterness or sourness to their cheese puffs. This results in a decrease of money to the company because customers will stop buying their cheese puffs. A mistake that can occur during this lab is adding too much base to the solution. This will cause a high concentration. Another error could be not adding enough base that color disappears in solution.
Another error was calculating the percentage wrong. We might have miscalculated during any of the steps.